Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, finally, the Galaxy A series, the A52 and A72 is here. The new Galaxy A series started off with the entry level. The likes of the A32 and even A02 are already official. Now it's time to move up at the mid-range. Samsung unveiled the Galaxy A52 and 72 today, both focusing on a fun but are also capable all-rounders. The A52 come in a two flavor 4G and 5G. The A72 arrive in only 4G phone. Let's have a closer look. First of all, we take a look the A52 4G and a 5G is the smaller of the A52 of the two phones. It has a flat 6.5-inch display and a weight is 189 grams with a battery that should last 2 days between charge. The display is Super AMOLED panel with a 1080p plus resolution and a high refresh rate 90 Hz for the 4G model and 120 Hz for the 5G version. In high brightness mode, this panel can reach 800 nits of brightness of better visibility even in bright sunlight. The display is protected by the sheet of Gorilla Glass 5. The rest of the phone has a additional protection in a place to earn an IP67 rating, and it has a submersion of 1 meter of water for 30 minutes. The phone here it's a camera. The main module featuring 64 megapixel sensor with a f1.8 aperture. It has an optical image stabilization and a tetra binding tech. Samsung's names for a quad buyer with the enabled 4 0.8 pixel are combined into one. In its default mode, the camera outputs 16 megapixel binite photo, but you can take a full resolution 64 megapixel shoot as well. Night mode shoot 12 frames and combines them into one bright images with little noise. The OIS help keep things stable while night mode is doing its thing. The main camera can record 4K at 30 fps video. Next up is the 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. It has a f2.2 lens with a fixed focus. Rounding up the quartet are the 5 megapixel macro camera and a 5 megapixel deep sensor. The A52 has 4500 mAh battery, come with a 15-volt charger in the box. The phone support 25-volt charger too. If you have one, you can fill up the battery from 0 to 50% in half an hour. The 4G model is powered by the Snapdragon 720G chipset, and the 5G is a Snapdragon 750G instead. The CPU Core 750G are a one generation newer, and the Adreno GPU is a slightly buffer. Both are 8 nanometer chipset. If you pick a 4G model, you will get 4 gig of RAM and stand up, but can go up to 6 gigs and 8 gigs. The 5G model drop 4 gig option. There you can choose between 6 and 8 gig. Base storage is 128 gigs and you can go up to 256 gigs if you want, but keep in mind that there is a micro SD slot available if you don't need fast storage. The A52 runs One UI 3.1 built on top of Android 11 out of the box and a pack that knocks out of the security feature. The 32 megapixel selfie camera can be used for face unlock, or you can use the in-display fingerprint reader instead. The phone has a decent set of multimedia feature, starting with a basic 3.5mm headphone jack stereo speaker. The speakers are backed by Dolby Atmos support, including special Dolby Atmos for a gaming mood. The Galaxy A52 and a 5G and a 4G available in a black, violet, white and a blue color. The 4G version starting from €350, the 5G starting for €430. The A52 5G model is already on sale in the UK. You can find on the Samsung.com. So this is the A52. We will talk about in the next video about the A72. Let me know in the comment section, are you like this A52 4G and 5G, and also like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.